Welcome to the online tutorial presented by myhosting.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your domain name to myhosting.com through your myhosting.com control panel. To begin, log into your control panel by visiting manage.myhosting.com. Once logged in the subscription dropdown, select All Domains. You're going to select the Hosted Domains tab, and then select Transfer Existing Domain. Enter in the domain name you wish to transfer, and enter in the transfer key provided from the current domain register. Select Next, then you can select the hosting that you would like the domain associated with, and click Next. Then you can review your order and click Place Order. And that's how you transfer a domain through your myhosting.com control panel. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-866-289-5091 or send us an email to support@myhosting.com. Thanks for watching.